Thank you for choosing a tent rent for your tent rental needs. In this video, we'll be examining the LB White Premier Heater startup instructions, shutdown instructions, and troubleshooting. We will begin with the startup of the tent heater. First, locate the propane tank and turn the valve counterclockwise to open the propane flow. Then, inside the tent, go to the thermostat and set it at a degrees high enough where it surpasses the current temperature. On the back of the heater, touch the toggle switch in the upward direction to start the flame. You will hear the pilot light turn on and then start the flow of hot air. Check inside and the air should be flowing with a good amount of heat. We will now begin the shutdown process of the heater. Go back to the propane tank and turn the valve clockwise in order to stop the flow of the propane. Then go to the back of the heater, flip the toggle switch in the middle position, which is off, and turn down the thermostat all the way. That concludes the shut-off process for the heater. We will now take a look at some troubleshooting factors and reasons why your heater may not be working when you need it the most. First, check to make sure your heater is plugged in. If you check this and the air is still not flowing or turning on, try using another outlet to plug the extension cord into. There may be too much power on one, which is not allowing the heater to start. Hopefully this fixes your problem and it's a quick fix. If it's still not working, it could be a faulty thermostat. Make sure it's up high enough, but if it continues, go back to the back side of the heater, unplug the thermostat, which is that middle plug, and plug the heater directly into the outlet. If this seems to fix the problem, you will just have to use the back of the heater as a manual on and off toggle switch, going back to the middle position to turn it off, and upward again to turn it on. This is a common issue with the heaters. We would like to have all thermostats working, but in a pinch, this could work. Another issue that may arise would be an obstruction of airflow. This could be wall that's blocking the front of the diffuser, or the duct could be bunched up in the back that leads into the tent. If the airflow is stopped, the hot air would be sent back into the heater, and there are switches inside of the heater that will turn off the heater completely for fire hazard reasons. If this happens, turn off the heater completely, unplug it, and go to the side. With a flathead screwdriver, open the door and hit the red button, which is a reset button. Then go to the other side of the heater and do the same thing. This will reset the thermostat that had been shut off due to high temperature. And then go back to the back of the heater, plug in, and turn it on. Thank you again for choosing a tent rent for all your rental needs. Hope this helps.